Okay, nice thin layer of the blue. And whoops, that one is my Fiesta stencil, but I dropped it. So I kind of just decided to go with it. We're just going to use that to make a texture. Sometimes there's nothing you can do, you know, you just kind of have to go with it. So I think I'm using just a plain piece of paper to pick that up. Yeah, and it dried pretty quick. Well, that's an interesting texture. I couldn't have done that if I planned it, but you know, that's the way it goes with gel printing. So using a lighter blue, I think I'm just using this as a pickup layer to pick up that dried paint off my plate there. Okay, I think this is rice paper. This rice paper is another lightweight paper that works really well in collage. Oh, I like this. That's such an interesting texture. All right, using more of that blue. I'm not sure why I have my other gel plate out. Sometimes I like to use it as a palette, but it doesn't look like I'm doing much of that in this video. Oops. There's that Fiesta stencil again. Gonna give this one another try. Wet strength tissue paper. So I tend to start at the bottom and then kind of push it up. That helps me avoid getting too many wrinkles in the page as I put it down. Yeah, using my fingers to get in all those little holes. There we go. Nice texture for collage. And the second print. See, there's still the outline on the plate. Looks like I'll do a pickup print here with the light blue color. With pickup prints, you want to make sure that your first layer of paint is really, really, really dry. Otherwise, when you put on the second color, you'll just smear it. Cardstock again. And pulling the print. Nice texture. Okay, using some more of that dark blue. Well, you can see I got a spot of paint there that doesn't quite want to roll out. That's okay though. All right, this stencil is a butterfly wing, also my own design. So graphic. Pulling up the stencil. And I'm going to print over this peach pre-printed paper. These pre-printed papers are often just previous gel prints that I have decided aren't finished. So I just keep a pile of them, and then I print on them as I find them when I need them. Okay, cool print. You can see there's still the outline on the gel plate there. Looks like I'm going to do a pickup print with the lime green. That's another good combination. I like the bright colors if you can't tell. Okay, picking it up on a piece of rice paper. Oh, delicious. You can see where the paint wasn't quite dry though. I have a couple of stripes in there. All right, more of the dark blue. Rolling it out nice and thin. This stencil is called Kapow. Didn't want to go down very well. Again, I'm just using it to make texture. Trying to use up that last bit of that blue paint there. This is geometric stencil number 1. Nice clean pull. Except for the top there. That's okay. And you can see here that the mask has picked up most of the paint. So I kind of just get an outline there. But that's also interesting. Oh, got a wrinkle in it. Oh well. Nope, my paint is way too dry here. Not a good print. Okay, I'm going to use that lime green again. Light green, I think it is. Light or lime, I'm not totally sure. But that would be Liquitex Basics. All right, I love this print. This is really cool because the blue paint inside the stencil is gone, just leaving the outline. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my content, please remember to like and subscribe. See you soon. Bye.